Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. PDFs versus an actual book. Okay, so PDFs are good, but let's get to the real. When you go out and buy a book and actually invest in yourself, you are making a statement and a wholeheartedly purchase that I want this book. I want this understanding. We live in a world where anything and everything can be found. The information age. These books are meant to be jewels, treasures to your being. Yeah, you can learn something from a PDF, but can you personally say you honestly made an investment to put your consciousness back in your being? How does it truly feel if you didn't give any type of energy to encapsulating the energy? You go to work and spend money on some artificial shit you probably throw away, but you can't spend money or put energy into getting a book? Something that can actually have an effect on your life? Your spiritual work? That might mean it's not that important to you. Them Jordans you bought are more important. The information and knowledge is about us. All this light is about what we already do as chaos beings. It's important for us to know and understand that you can't put a price on the knowledge that is bestowed upon us. Let's put this into context. Your ability to purchase a book says, I want to seek and remember this light about me. And that's not to say I won't sit there and read a whole PDF. Shit, I love knowledge and is always trying to seek out the truth. But if the information spoke to my soul, I still would want to buy the book, get the book printed and bind it or something. Show some kind of investment in myself through a purchase of the book. Especially if it's a black author. Especially if it's a black author. Especially if it's a black author. As you should have the decency to purchase anything the gods put out. PDFs literally should be used as a preview of a book. When you look at the PDF and seek out the light, your being should instantly want to hold a physical copy of the knowledge. Money is not real. Time is not real. Show the demiurge, the matrix, that it doesn't have an effect on you by putting a little effort into your knowledge. Don't take this as a cheap thrill or a trending topic. This is forever, for all times, for you, God. Generator, operator, destroyer. Dream wise.